Saurabh, firstly, welcome to Indian Express. And I read your Instagram post. You mentioned how Khatron Ke Khiladi has been on the bucket list. So tell me more about it and how exciting was it when it was actually offered to you?
So yes, this is true that Fear Factor Khatron Ke Khiladi has been in my bucket list for a very long time. In fact, पहले भी जब भी मुझे offer हुआ, I used to be extremely thrilled, but because of the dates issue, it never materialized. But this time when it came, I took it up instantly. But at the same time, saying that I'm very excited right now in this situation. I don't think it will be. I won't think it will be a right thing to say, and also I don't even feel that kind of an excitement which I would have felt earlier because of the current situation that is happening all over. So I'm just taking it as it is coming, and since it's a work I have to do, but I don't. It's not that I'm jumping, which I would have, but the situation is such.
Right. And how difficult is it emotionally, Saurabh, since you'll be traveling out of country and your family is here? As someone who's a parent, a husband, a son, is it emotionally also very challenging for you right now?
It is definitely challenging because from last 1 year or even more, from the very first lockdown, I'm mostly at home with my babies. I never spend so much of time with them. So it is emotionally going to be extremely challenging. And also, I think my mother, my wife, they are worried too that since in COVID times we got to travel. So yeah, but it is what it is. But for work, you have to do what you have to do.
So coming to the show, Saurabh, what is that one thing that you're really scared of when it comes to Khatron Ke Khiladi? The kind of task that happens, something that you are a little apprehensive about?
See, जिस तरह के stunts खतरों में होते हैं, वो वाले स्टंट कभी पर्सनली एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किए, तो मुझे नहीं पता कि जब मैं वहां पे पहुंचूंगा उस पॉइंट पर, जब मुझे वो करना होगा, तो मैं कैसा एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा होगा या हाउ विल आई फील एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. तो राइट नाउ आई कांट पिन पॉइंट ऑन थिंग्स की पता नहीं, क्योंकि पता नहीं है. आप हार्नेस पे एज एन एक्टर, मैंने काफी काम किया है, लेकिन हार्नेस के ऊपर एक जितनी ऊंचाई होती है और स्टंट जितनी ऊंचाई पे करने होते हैं, इट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग ऑल टुगेदर. या फिर जो पानी वाले स्टंट हैं, उसमें भी आई एम अ सेल्फ टॉट स्विमर, मुझे स्विमिंग इतनी अच्छे से नहीं आती है, लेकिन उसमें स्टंट करने पे कैसा एक्सपीरियंस होगा मुझे नहीं पता. लेकिन मुझे ऐसे बहुत हाइट से या पानी से इन अ नॉर्मल रेगुलर सिचुएशन तो डर नहीं लगता, लेकिन स्टंट करते हुए क्या लगेगा, दैट आई हैव टू एक्सपीरियंस ओनली, देन आई कैन टेल.
And winning the show or fighting your fears, what is that motto that you are going ahead with on Khatron Ke Khiladi?
Fighting my fears until I win the show.
Okay. Superb. Also, Saurabh, I wanted to ask you, since you are like very tall, will it be an advantage for you, or do you think it could be a drawback when it comes to tasks?
I think that depends on stunts, basically. किसी स्टंट में ऐसे बैलेंस बनाने का बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत होती है, मतलब बैलेंसिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड, एंड फॉर अ टॉल पर्सन टू मेंटेन अ बैलेंस becomes little difficult. And in some situations, I think it can be helpful also in some of the stunts. Maybe जिसमें reach out करना है, hand का reach out है, या leg का reach out है, उसमें it can be an advantage. So I think it will be totally dependent from stunt to stunt.
Also, since you are a father and you have like 2 young kids, उनके लिए एक होता है ना कि आप you have to go and perform so that your kids, when they grow up and watch it, उन्हें proud feel हो. You think that is there in you कि I won't let my kids down, that deep down the line they'll see your episode and be like, wow, my dad did this.
Yeah, this is actually one of the reasons also that I want to do Khatron Ke Khiladi this time, because I know that when they will see me on screen, doing those stunts, they'll be very happy about it. So yeah, definitely
Yeah.
as a father, I don't want them to feel
Right.
anywhere let down, and I want them to see their father winning, if I can say so.
And lastly, sort of any message to your fans who are like super excited and hopeful कि आपको वो show में देखेंगे, something on a final note.
मैं सबसे पहले तो सबको थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ, because it is only because of love and admiration that I get from you guys that I get these kind of opportunities. So thank you so much. Second, I really hope कि आप इस show से entertain हो, but definitely like they say in the show also, do not try these stunts at home.
Yeah.
It is only for the entertainment purpose. And lastly, I would also want to say and request all of you कि आप सब अपना ध्यान रखिए. आप सबको पता है कि क्या क्या करना है. काम करने के लिए सबको जाना पड़ता है, जैसे हम भी जा रहे हैं, बट मेक श्योर कि आप पूरे प्रिकॉशंस लें, अपना भी ध्यान रखें और अपने चारों तरफ जितने लोग हैं उनका भी ध्यान रखें.